Guangzhou Lvdong High-Tech Co. Ltd. was founded in 2017. We are a trusted global supplier of high-quality biomedical products and complete lab solutions. Backed by strong in-house R&D and full-scale manufacturing, we control every step from smart production planning and automated assembly to precision packaging and rigorous multi-stage quality checks. This end-to-end system ensures stable mass production and flexible OEM services tailored to your needs. Today, labs, research institutes, and biotech companies around the world rely on Lvdong for reliable products, personalized support, and international quality standards. Lvdong, your partner in science, your partner in precision.